So, another video. It was, I think, 6 weeks ago since I uploaded my last video. So I will be a little bit rusty, but in today's video I am proud to present you a Heidi Blacksmith design fixed blade. That's knife collector here. Thanks for tuning in. My name is Henk. Heidi Blacksmith is a German knife designer, knife maker, custom maker, and in Germany he is very well known among the community. And Dirk Wanger, the retailer Messerundco in Germany, he has his own shop and he also does some special knives for his shop only, and he decided he wanted a design from Heidi Blacksmith in his shop. So he reached out to Heidi Blacksmith and they picked this design to be a special for the Messerundco shop from Dirk. And it's a production knife, so they had to find a production facility as well. And Lion Steel has been producing these for Dirk Wanger from Messerundco. So, a Heidi Blacksmith design. This is a very small fixed blade, and it's available in 3 different variations. The G10, the olive wood, and there is also a walnut variety, and then with a few sheet styles: leather sheet, Kydex sheet with attachment loop. So these knives were made available for a pass around for the European pass around group by Dirk Wanger. Many thanks to Dirk Wanger and Jörg from the German YouTube channel Outdoor Mormon. He has coordinated this pass around. Jörg, many thanks to you as well. And I will put links in the description box to both the channel of Jörg, Outdoor Mormon, and to the shop of Dirk Wanger, Messerundco. So let's get started. A little fixed blade, and it's really little. Let me show it in my hand, and let me show a wee 602 next to it, and then you can see the wee 602, a folding blade, dwarfs out the little Wanger Pronto. This is the name of the knife, the Wanger Pronto. I will put in some high-res pictures at the end of the video, and I borrowed these from the Messerundco web shop, so I didn't make the high-res pics myself. The Wanger Pronto is a full flat grind with a convex cutting edge. So the convex cutting edge will guarantee that the edge will remain sharp for a very long time, together with the choice of steel, and that is the German Nylox steel. Nylox is not, till now, not very common in the knife making world, but Nylox is a very good steel. It's rust resistant, it will take an edge very good, it will get insane sharp, and it will remain sharp for a long time. So together with the convex cutting edge, this will be a joy to use. So it is a small knife. The blade itself is a little bit over 7 centimeters. The handle length is a little bit under 10 centimeter, and then the overall length is a little bit over 17 centimeter, and it only weighs, this one, 59 gram, and I think the walnut and the G10 version variety maybe a little bit more, so only 59 gram. As you can see, it is a Torx construction, so you can easily exchange the scales or for cleaning. Here you can see the producer, Lion Steel, and the number of the little knife. This is the 143 number. Very nice details. The spine and the edges are all round off. A little prone above the scales. Good fit and finish. Lanyard hole. The olive woods I like very much. It's a gorgeous little blade. And then a nice place for your finger. It fits in my hand, and because everything is round off, it feels very comfortable in hand, and you have a good purchase on the small blade. So very nice. Some jimping on top. Here you can see the name and the logo of Dirk, and here you can see the steel. Very nice grinding lines visible. This is still a little bit dirt from the previous reviewer. I couldn't get it off quickly, so I have to clean it better. I didn't use these knives for cutting tasks or whatever, because I simply didn't have the time. I already have these knives way too long at home, but I was terribly busy. My regular job, blade show, my work for a couple of knife manufacturers, and then last week blade stock. I was co-organizer for the blade stock knife and gear gathering in the Netherlands. So, and then the G10 variety, very nice as well. But of course, I personally, this is number 21, I personally favor the olive wood. I like that material. It's getting beautiful. It's getting more pretty when aging, so I like olive wood very much. But the G10 also, everything is nicely round off, nicely polished. Very nice, very consistent build quality. Well, Lion Steel is I think is a warranty to get very well constructed knives. And then the sheet, very nice, very well done. This is the leather sheet with the belt loop, and the little knife fits in very well. You can stick it in your pocket just this way, or you can attach it to your belt. Maybe for a belt knife I would prefer a horizontal carrying, but that's just a little bit nitpicking. And then the Kydex sheet with the belt loop, very well constructed, very robust, and the knife fits in very good. It clicks, no rattle, very sturdy. So, because of the time, I have to quit this video. I have to go to work in a few moments. but I was very happy to show these knives. I hope I can contribute a little bit of getting Heidi Blacksmith a little bit more known in the rest of the knife community outside of Germany. I can recommend these knives. 139 euro, 149 euro. Leather sheet, Kydex sheet. You can even pick another choice if you want. You just have to contact Dirk Wanger from Messerundco. It's a very nice guy. So let me know what you think of this little knife. And guys, sorry I didn't respond to comments the last few months. I was too busy. I'm sorry for that. So hang on a minute, I will show the high-res pics. I hope you enjoy it. Have a nice day. Bye bye.